Yo, what's up? This is the Apple AirPods Pro. Just arrived yesterday. Thanks, John Gonzalez, for hooking me up with this device, bringing it all the way from the USA. Thank you, bye. Salamat kayo. So I just wanted to show you what's inside the box. Just a random unboxing. I haven't been doing a lot of videos, but this is something for Tech Island. Any of you still remember that show? Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it right now for the first time so you'll see what's inside. So I don't need any scissors. I took this tab off and I think it came off. Not the way it's supposed to. I think it's supposed to drag all the way down, but I'm gonna use my bare hands for that. There, I tore the plastic out, and this is the box. This is the cover, AirPods Pro. That's the bottom. You see the information there. Can you see it clearly? I don't know if you can see it clearly. And so what you have here in the front is the cover, the usual instructions on how to use the AirPods. Let me run through that slowly with you. And at the back, let me run through the back again one more time. All right. And then we have the usual documents that come with it. I don't think we need to see this. Safety and handling, 1-year warranty, regulatory compliance, FCC compliance, and all of that. So let's not waste our time with that, right? We want to feel positive. The positive vibes are coming from this really, really cool gadget. And that is the Apple AirPods Pro. Oh wait, this is the case, but there's something like a small tab here inside the box. I wonder what it means. Ooh, it allows me to lift the AirPods out. Okay, let me show you that quickly again. There's a small tab which you can grab with your hands, and then I can pull it out. It lifts the whole plastic off the box, and at the bottom it reveals the different ear cup sizes. Okay, so how do you open this? Okay, let's be careful with that because we want to preserve everything. And there you go. Apple does have a way of packaging things really nice and neat and arranged and orderly, you know, so. And it comes with a charging cable, Type-C to Lightning, right? Type-C to Lightning. Type-C to Lightning, all right? So that's it. There's nothing left inside the box. Of course, I'm not gonna use this because this is equipped with a wireless charger, which hopefully will charge with all of my wireless charging devices available. So let's now open this up. Ooh, you hear that plastic? Tearing off the plastic sounds so good when you're unboxing, right? See? I don't know if you can hear it. There. Let's keep that there in the box. And ooh, look at that. Fresh off the box. So nice. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. All right, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And it's got the lightning port at the bottom, and when I open it up, boom, there you go, it's lighting up. So I can't really pair it with my phone because I'm using my phone right now to record this video, but let me record a separate video about that. At least you've seen the unboxing of this very cool device. Let me pull off these babies out so you can see a little more of them. Oh, they're quite short. There you go. Let me test if these babies fit my ears more comfortably than the previous ones, which are a little. I have big ear holes, so they tend to come off easily while I'm running, and I'm always wow. I haven't paired them to my phone, but the noise canceling is just like I have the Sony headphones, and they're just acting like it. Noise canceling is amazing. It's not just the earbuds covering your ear, but boom, like a vacuum. Amazing. I can't wait to try this out with music. So far, I think the cups that come off the device is pretty comfortable. I think I can rock with this already without it dropping it off. And yeah, there you go. So again, a closer look of how it looks like in my ear. And my first initial take on this is that the noise canceling works very well. But what we do want to find out is how the noise canceling has affected the battery life of this device, right? So hopefully I'll be able to test it more in a couple of days, and I'll get back to you on that. Keep positive, guys. Stay tuned for more on the Apple AirPods Pro. See ya.